10 tips are very, very important. Okay, because if I am going to have, say, 5 distinct dolls, okay, right, I need to place in 5 places linearly. So the answer is very simple. What do you get? How many arrangements? 5 factorial. Either you can look from the place or from the doll. So you are going to get 5 factorial ways of arranging, right? This is linear permutation. Suppose I have 3 identical, say, tiger dolls, right, and 2 identical, say, elephant dolls. They are identical, and my placing also is going to give me the visual. I am not going to place one like this and one like that. Assume that I am going to place in the same manner as, and then if I am going to place, actually what you should try to do is, you have to go to one place. Sometimes it's better to carry extra counts, and then that is how you are getting all the combinations. That's why I have given the tips like that. So go, presuming all these are 5 dolls, you will be getting what? 5 factorial, but you will be carrying what? Extra counts. Why? There will be some repetition. So for example, you have a line, okay, not line, say elephant, right? Elephant, it's an elephant, and you have some tigers and all here, right? So if you are going to interchange these 2 elephants, that would have been counted actually in this 5 factorial, right? So everything, the elephant thing has been counted how many times? 2 times. So for that you have to divide by, say, 2. 2 means 2 factorial. That is, this adjustment is for what? For the elephant. But I need to do for tiger also. So I need to divide by. Are able to understand? So what do you get? 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So you are just carrying. Or you can see that there are 5 places. I need to choose 2 places for the identical elephant. Correct? The rest will go for 3 identical. So it is enough I concentrate only on the elephant. Which 2 places? 5 choose 2. That is same as this. Are able to understand? But the problem comes when I have 3 types, because in the formula you have only 2 factorials you are dividing. Correct? Suppose I am going to have, say, 3 identical, suppose 3 identical tigers, right? And then 2 elephant, and say 4 lions, identical lines. Then totally I have how many dolls? 9 dolls. So I have to go for the, assuming that all the 9 are different, I will have 9 factorial. Then I have to divide. Divide what? 2 factorial for adjusting elephant, 3 factorial for tiger, and then 4 factorial. But I won't get a formula here. Are you able to understand? That's why I am telling that sometimes this formula, no, it works only for permutation combinations. You have some notational formulas. So basically what is your idea is, not even the formulas. Most important thing is that when you carry extra counts, you need to divide. Sometimes you may have to do more rounds.